Actually, she cannot leave by 2 p.m. If you let her bring the two boys, we are happy because we love them both. They are already familiar with the friends and also enjoy playing with us. I'm sorry that I asked your number from Divine because Divina doesn't have the idea about the birthday party here. Thank you, Ma'am Angela. I don't know you are here. You're a kind person. Okay.
Wow!
And then, meron pa na.
Binisit siya ako. Kaya pala nagulat siya. Binisit niya ni madam mo.
Ayun.
Saan sila
O,
kaya
dinata.
misis?
Mrs. Nita Elvin, nag-effort din siya. And then,
Ano bigla niya? Kailan kasi nabihan na pwede ka na makalabas?
Kahapon pa.
Hapon lang?
ito na siya muna
Parang kahapon ng umaga yata nandito sa sala. Umaga yun.
Basta ang dali yung, oh no, I want to spend more. Dali go. I have to find.
Ato nga, ligsin ko sa inyo. Kaya ako sa kong
Bigla ya?
Kasi ngayon talaga, busy siya. Parang maaga yata siyang aalis. Hindi, okay lang daw. Sabi,
Yan mo na.
nag-reply.
Okay.
Kaya pala pinayagan nagulat daw siya eh.